Welcome to Code Fun with me, Rozzie. So good to see you, my friend. Come on, me waiata tātou. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. Kia ora, how are you doing? Or in other words, kei te pehe a koe. Kia ora, thank you for coming. Kia ora, on this beautiful day. So there's you and me, and there's someone else here at Code Fun too. Digi! Oh. Digi! Digi! Can you hear that? Hey, I know what's going on here. Our robot friend is right behind me. Shh. Ah-ha! Oh. Nope, no Digi back here. What? You saw Digi? Where? Oh, I can't see Digi anywhere. Oh. Oh, Digi, there you are, you tricky robot.
Kia ora.
Kia ora. Well, that's Digi, and I'm Rozzie. Ko waitu ingoa. What's your name? Are you ready to have lots of fun? Great! Hoa ke tātou. Titiro mai. I'm painting he uenuku, a rainbow.
Oh, where? I wish I could paint a rainbow like that.
Well, I can show you, Digi.
Really?
Really.
Woohoo!
Digi is a robot, and robots need clear instructions to be able to do things.
Uh-huh.
Will you help me show Digi how to paint a rainbow? Ka pai e hoa. Okay, find a clear space with lots of room. Oh, make sure you're not going to bump into anything. Yep, I'm all good. Let's code Digi to paint a rainbow. If you want to see a robot paint, here's what to do. They need a list of instructions from me and from you. If you make the instructions clear, we'll be just fine. Let's code this robot one step at a time. Remember, code is another word for instructions. Digi won't know how to paint a rainbow until we give instructions. First up, I'll show you so we can help Digi together. Okay, first stand with your feet apart. Okay, now use your right hand. Oh, that's this one. And put it right here. That's going to be your paintbrush. Okay, now bring it up. Over. And down. Ka rawe! You painted a rainbow. Let's show Digi. Okay, Digi. First of all, put your feet apart. Oh, sorry, Digi. Whoopsies. I forgot. Robots need clear instructions. Mingana anō. Let's try that again. Okay, Digi. Put your feet apart just slightly wider than your shoulders. Are you joining in? Great! Okay, Digi, now use your right hand and put it right here. Yeah, that'll be your paintbrush. Now bring it up, over and down. Give it a go, Digi. Wow. Nice one, Digi. Kwatu, Tuki. We did it. We gave clear instructions and coded Digi so we could all paint a rainbow together. Wow!
Okay.
Hi! I'm playing a game. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Oh, it's a dance and freeze game called If and Then. Hey! You can be the robot and I'll code you, help you learn the instructions and play the game. Come on, here are the instructions. If you hear the music, then you dance. Oh, hey, Digi. Great dancing. But if the music stops, then you freeze. You can just stay sitting if you like and dance with your arms instead. Okay, here we go. Listen carefully. Dance! Woo! Freeze! Don't move a muscle. Phew. Uh-oh. I've got an itchy nose. Phew. Are you dancing? Oh, whoops. I forgot to freeze. Did you freeze? Well done, my robot friend. You can play that game at home with your friends and family. All you need is a space to play and some music. Code Fun! We've had so much fun on Code Fun today. But now it's time to say goodbye. Hey, Digi.
Hey, Rozzie. I've come to say goodbye with you.
Cool! Me waiata tātou. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. On this beautiful day, ka kite. Ka hoki mai ano, or in other words, we'll be back again. Ka kite. Thank you for coming, ka kite. Have a wonderful day. Ka kite anō e hoa. Come back next time.
Ka kite.